Stuck in my brain.
This is what quarantine has come to. Me in an Elsa wig trying to figure out how I'm going to turn it into a mullet. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be turning me into Joe Exotic. Yes. So it is day 1 trillion of quarantine and I'm really bored. So I saw this TikTok and that's the whole reason I'm even doing this. I wasn't even going to film it, but then I was like, this is a lot of freaking work for a TikTok. So I'm going to film it, make a video out of it, and make a TikTok. So you have to hop on over and follow me on TikTok so you can see the finished result. But I saw this TikTok that this girl made and I saved it to my favorites and it is gone now. Like, she must have deleted it. But she turned herself into Carol and I want to turn myself into Joe because I think it'd be so easy to turn yourself into Carol. So we're doing this and we're going all out. We're making the sparkly shirt, we're making the mullet, we're making the hat, going all out, okay? So let's go ahead and start this. We're gonna start with the shirt and it's gonna be so fun. So let's go. Silver glitter, this fabric glue, and some blue glitter. So, not even halfway done, got a lot to do, but it's looking good. I'm pumped. Whoa! Okay guys, so now that the shirt is done, we are going to move on to the hat. So if you saw my tie-dye video where I tie-dyed sets, I have some of the sandstone color left. And I want to make this hat of Joe's, and his is tan, so we're just going to tie-dye this, but just do it all over and make the tan hat. So that's what we're doing now. Okay, so I got a new trash bag and we're going to tie-dye the hat. Alright guys, so I got my dye and I got my hat. Got me a new garbage bag because the other one was covered with glitter. And now all we're going to do is literally squirt this all over and turn it to tan/khaki. Should not be hard. Oh no, this is the material that won't. Oh no. It's okay, we're going to keep going. I should have just done it on the white hat. Oh no, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? Okay, so now the hat and the glitter shirt are done and I've got to make a mullet. Wow, I'm about to destroy this wig. I don't even know if I can make this into a mullet, but we're gonna see. Oh my gosh, this is what quarantine has come to. Oh, crazy. This is the worst wig ever. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. Okay, so my hair is pretty dark, right? So he has like dark hair at the roots and then there's these top parts that are, let's just pull up a picture. His hair looks like this. It's like a bowl cut at the top, dark roots, and then long in the back. So it's a mullet. Okay, so I've sat the wig on my poor fox here, and I've got my scissors. And what I think I'm gonna do is just cut all of this, like pull these pieces of the front because we need to make it a bowl look, and then cut them, and then just kind of pin all of this back like with bobby pins so it looks longer in the back, if that makes sense. I don't know. We're gonna try it. Oh my gosh, are y'all looking? Are y'all looking? I'm destroying this wig. I paid money for this wig and I'm just cutting it. It's happening. We have cut the first hairs. Oh no. This is horrible. This is awful. I am not cute whatsoever and I cannot see. Chop chop, snip snip, and then you know how the hairstylists go like this and like make it look a little more natural and not such a straight cut. That's what I'm gonna do. Wow, front bangs. Mullet coming soon. I literally look like Big Bird or something. Look at all this hair. It literally looks like a hair salon in this house. Okay, so one last thing that I forgot about before I do my makeup and transform myself into Joe Exotic, need to make this necklace that he always wears. Or he doesn't always wear it, he has quite a few that he wears, but it's pretty much just a thick piece of leather with a piece of cord going through it and then like a circle in the middle. And I'm just gonna use a key ring for the circle, and I couldn't find any like cord to go through it, so we're just gonna do the thick choker with the circle. So I've gotta go watch my TikTok. This is my third outfit for it, so I'm putting in a lot of effort here. Y'all better go watch it. Okay, I've got on my shirt and stuff. I just need to add a beard, really. So that's what we're about to do. We're about to give me a beard. Hope y'all are ready. And then we're gonna put on the wig and finish the TikTok. Time to do the last TikTok. Hi guys, I'm Joe Exotic. I'm the Tiger King. I got a mullet and I like big cats. Alright, so this is how it turned out. Do I look like him? Let me know down below. The reason I left this right here is because I thought maybe I would cut it because he kind of has on a V-neck, but I just didn't feel like doing that. But this is the finished look. All I need is a tiger. I think I did pretty good. The hat's a little messed up because we all know I just should have dyed it completely instead of using the squirt bottle, and yeah, but it's pretty good just for TikTok. I mean, I wasn't taking it too seriously. Joe Exotic is going on an adventure. Joe Exotic don't drive nowhere. He has a driver.
Yeah.
So, in conclusion, I know why Joe dresses like this, honestly. Like, I feel so powerful. Does that make sense? Like, I don't know, just dressing like this just makes me feel like I am on top of the world. I swear. The only problem is all this freaking glitter. It's just getting everywhere and getting on everything, and I just don't know about it. I don't know about it. Me after one episode of The Tiger King. Me after 2 episodes of The Tiger King. Me after 3 episodes of The Tiger King. Hi, I'm Joe Exotic. I'm a Tiger King. I got a mullet and I like big cats. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.